Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to easily speed up your Windows 7 in just a few simple steps. First step is to remove unwanted startup services that we don't need anymore. Go ahead and click Start, and in the search bar type in msconfig and hit enter. Now let's go down to Startup, and now you want to disable anything that you don't use. I only have two things here, but you should have a lot more than that, especially if it's an older Windows. Ideally, you want to leave off your antivirus and anti-spyware enabled. Go ahead and click Exit without restart, because we'll do that later. Next step is to go to Control Panel and click Uninstall Programs. Now make sure you sort it by date and uninstall anything that you don't use. Next step is Disk Cleanup. So go ahead, hit the Start button and start typing Disk Cleanup, and go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and select every single box. Do not be afraid, you're not going to lose anything important. So select everything and click OK. Now I want to talk about power options. Hit Start, type in power options and click it. Now go ahead and change this to high performance. I only recommend this step if you're playing a video game, because it does consume a lot more energy. And the last thing I want to show you guys is disk defragment. Make sure that's working fine. Now by default, Windows already has this all set up automatically to run on a schedule, but what if it doesn't run? What if your computer is off at that time? So just make sure that's running, and run it manually if needed. And that is all I wanted to show you guys today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Thanks everyone for watching.